The fourth question here is in the diagram. You have the minor arc to be 150, the angle subtended by the minor arc to be 150. We have to calculate the length of the chord, xy. We have to calculate the length of the major arc, that is xy. This is the major arc. And we are also to calculate the area of the shaded segment, which will automatically be the area of a sector, minus the area of the unshaded triangle. So now let's get down to work. The radius is 18, and we have the angle to be 150. So quickly, the length of the arc will be 2r sine theta over 2, and that will give you 2 times, I think I saw that to be 18 the other time. Yes, I'm correct, 18. 18 times sine 150 divided by 2, and that will give you 36 times sine 75 degrees. So let's see how that works. 75 degrees, sine 75 degrees, then multiply it by 36. Your answer should give you, you should get 34.77, 34.77. So thank you. So you have 34.77 centimeters since it's the length. So we'll move on to the next thing on the agenda. That will be the length of the major arc. The length of the major arc, since the angle given to us is that of minor arc, then what we are going to do here is our theta will be 360 minus 150, what we're given, and we divide, or let's do it this way, theta minus 360 times length 2 pi r, and let's see quickly. That will give you 360 minus the 150 given, which is that of the minor arc, and times 2 times any condition. Let's find out. Okay, no condition, but here we have to what? Find to 3 significant figures, which is very, very important. Is this in 3 significant figures? No. So if you want to take this to 3 significant figures, it will be 1, 2, 3. Then you approximate 7, which is what? 8. So this will be what? 8 cm. Please, very, very important. And in front, 3 significant figures. Thank you. So that will be pi, which is, were we given any condition on pi? I'm not sure. Okay, but let's be very sure then. Let's be very sure. No condition. So we move on. 18 is the radius. So we're good to go. So let's see if that is the case. If you deduct this, you should get 210. 210 over 360 times, let's say 2 times 22 over 7 times 18. I love to leave it this way in order to make cancellation a bit very easy for me. So let's see. 3 here is 7. 0 cancels 0, of course. 3 here should give me 12. Yes, so let's see. 7 cancels 7. Yes, 2 here 1. 2 here is what? 6. Okay, 6 here 1. 6 here is what? 3. Multiply 3 by 22. That should give you 66.0. Since it is in 3 significant figures, if you write 66, that is 2 significant figures. And because there are no any other values, all we have to do here is to put 0.0. Then this will now be centimeters squared, so that it will be in 3 significant figures. So we'll put that there, 3 significant figures. So length, okay, so let's quickly take care of this. Okay, so we move on to the area of the shaded segment. As I've said earlier on, getting that shouldn't give us any issue. So that will be the area. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So area of what? Area of a sector minus the area of a triangle. So let's see how that works. So yes, so what's the area of a sector? We have it, mind you, it will be the minor sector. That would be 1 theta over 360 times pi r squared minus area of a triangle half r squared sine theta, and that gives you 150 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 18 times 18 minus 1 over 2 times 18 times 18 times sine 72 degrees. So we take this a bit up and let's find our values. So let's see. Okay. Yes, it will, but in order not to waste much time, let's quickly do justice to that. 15 times 22 times 18 times 18. Yes, 15, 20, 20, 15, 22, 18, 18. Very good. And that will be divided by 36 equal, then divide it again by 7. So you have 424.29. 424.29. Thank you. So we have 424.29 minus let's do that again. 0.5 for half times 18 times 18 times, okay, let's say 1 there so that I can find my answer. And if you permit me, let's quickly find sine 72. 72 first, okay, that is that. Then we can now multiply by 18. Multiply by 18. Then multiply by 0.5. That's half. So you will have 154.07. 154.07. 154.07. So you want to deduct 9 minus 7 gives 2. 2 minus 0 gives 2. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 5, in plus minus 5, you should get 7. And 3 minus 1, you should get 2. So that will be 270.22 centimeters squared.